Hello. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Myself, Dr. Shridhar, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Veterinary College, Shimoga. So, okay, nice. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Hello. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Myself, Dr. Shridhar, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Veterinary College, Shimoga. So, okay, nice. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Hello. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Myself, Dr. Shridhar, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Veterinary College, Shimoga. So, okay, nice. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Hello. Okay. Welcome to everybody. Myself, Dr. Shridhar, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Toxicology of Human Health Risk Assessment, US EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, from the year 2014 to 16, and 1 year, 6 months he has worked. Welcome to everybody. Of course, the current state is also the associate toxicologist. He has worked in the California Department of Pesticide Regulation from as associate toxicologist during the year 2016 to 17, about 1 year and 8 months in the California, United States. Currently, he is working as the staff toxicologist in California Department of the current pesticide regulation from December 2000 onwards till current date, and of course he has worked as 5 years to 2 months in the California Environmental Protection Agency, California, USA. He has got 5 years of 2 months experience as on date, and of course he has got many credentials under his pesticide regulation from title, especially he has risk assessor for multiple pesticides and for the California pesticide residue monitoring program. Of course, he has a DPR Director's Employee Recognition Award he has got for the superior accomplishment for the innovation of many credentials under that's the gold. And also he has got awarded with Best Human Health Technical Assistance Award by USCBS National Center for Environmental Assessment program. And also he has obtained his certificate, that's the Diploma of American Board of Toxicology in the year 2015, and he is a past president Northern California Genetic and Environmental Toxicology of Association, especially, and also he has worked as the editorial board member for the prestigious journal, that's the Toxicology Reports, which is having a very get the education or maybe to the job or for the other journal. So, with this brief introduction, I welcome Dr. Puttappa to this online webinar, and also I welcome our beloved Dean, Dr. Prakash Nadur, sir, who is always supporting us. So, with this brief introduction, I welcome Dr. Puttappa to this online webinar, and also I welcome
sitting them and answering them.
Dr. Prakash Nadur, sir, who is always supporting us. So, with this brief introduction, I welcome Dr. Puttappa to this.
Yeah, you have to give me some time. Sitting them and answering them.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so general question. Pest field where a veterinarian go according to you. Yeah, you have to. There is no. There was no real internet, so there is no real interaction between people in faraway places. So This is amazing tool for you guys to get information, interact, and also follow up with people if you want. So this is a very good tool. Faraway places. So yeah, as you go through the BVSC program, you will realize you like one thing and you don't like other things. So you experience those. So this is a very good situations. So then you realize you might want to go here. So it's very early in the first year to say which field is the best field. I would say you experience those. So this is a very good situations. So then you realize.
Yes, you can unmute mic and
It's
ask me
very early in the
questions.
first year to say which field is the best field. Okay. You experience those. I can't understand some of the questions. Please forgive me.
Yes, you can unmute mic and
It's
ask me
very early in the
questions.
first year to say So someone is asking, Saurabh. I can't understand some how I went for PhD. I mean, licensing exam or any other. How much did it cost? Okay. Someone is asking. So yeah, I want to make a correction. That Sridhar might have scared you. So licensing exam. In there, he put that I did PhD from 2006 to 2015. Don't be scared. That was not that long. It was 2006 to 2011. So essentially here, PhD means he put that for 5 years average and pretty standard. In Europe, it's only 3 years. But there are differences how you get into PhD in Europe and how you get into PhD in US. Average and pretty standard. So for your question, in Europe, it's only 3 years. But there are differences how you get into PhD in Europe and how you get into PhD in US. Average and pretty standard. So for your question, in Europe, it's only 3 years. But there are differences how you get into PhD in Europe and how you get into PhD in US. Average and pretty standard. So for your question, in Europe, it's only 3 years. But there are differences how you get into PhD in Europe and how you get into PhD in US. Average and pretty standard. So for your question, in Europe, it's only 3 years. But there are differences how you get into PhD. So with that, I will take any questions. I know this is a but there are differences. I'm not able to get out. Okay. So with that, I will
Unable to see.
take any
Okay,
questions.
somebody is writing.
I know this is a all right. So
Sharing, that's all.
I'm not able to get out.
Just you can stop
So
sharing.
with that, I will
Unable to see.
okay. Take any
Okay,
questions.
somebody is writing. Okay.
I know this is a
So
all right. So
there are many questions, Dr. Putappa, on the. I think you can see in the
just
screen.
stop so with that, I will.
Unable to
I
see.
see. Okay. Any questions?
Writing.
Okay. So can I start
Yes, yes.
reading them and answering them?
There are many questions, Dr. Putappa, on the. I think you can see in the screen. Stop
So with that, I will.
Unable to
I
see.
see. Yeah, you have to give me some time. I see. Okay, so general question. Okay, so can I start best field where veterinarian for answering them?
There are many questions, Dr. Putappa, on the. I think you can see in the screen.
There is no such thing as best field. Yeah, you have to give me some time. You have so many opportunities to explore. I would say when I was best field where previously I did not know where I would end up.
There are many questions.
Thinking back, I don't think I would study. I would kind of help you or give you options. Is one good resource, and the sessions like this are very good resources. Kind of help you students or give you options no real internet resource. So there is no real interaction like between people are very good in faraway places. When they help you, this is amazing tool for you guys. No real internet get information, interact, and no real interaction people if you want. Are very good. So this is a very good tool. This is amazing. Yeah, as you go through the BSc program, you will realize you like one thing and you don't like other things. And for exam wise, to do PhD, as you might have heard from other speakers, you will most colleges or universities will require GRE and TOEFL. I guess that is still the case for many, most of them. I mean, I entered PhD a long time ago, so for exam, my information may not be current. PhD, as you might have heard, but you can check out all kinds of websites and other resources. It's pretty easy nowadays GRE and to get the current information. I guess that is still for GRE is essential, most of them, and TOEFL is essential. I mean, I entered PhD a long time ago, but ultimately you are not. My information may not be current. PhD as using only the GRE and TOEFL. So graduate program website, student evaluators, they use pretty easy nowadays. All kinds of criteria. So they want to compare you. For GRE is another applicant coming from Europe or locally or other countries. So you are competing, but ultimately you are not. Everybody is so your mentality should be like graduate program website. I am the evaluator. I am going to be the in the sense that we should have that kind of knowledge to have you at that stage. You don't want to become expert. You can become an expert, but still, what I want to suggest is you have to do your own research. Nothing is taught in the classroom, or your teachers may not help you because they don't have the resources and the knowledge.
made nice organization of this webinar. I extend warm, what do you call it? Thank you once again on behalf of not only of the university and the entire student faculty, especially the final year students, not only our university. I'm saying from Gadwasu, Jabalpur, and many other corner of the country. And you've given a lot of connections as well as information, as contact details. Hope Dr. Puttappa will answer all of them, and if I find some time, I also request him, being alumni of our university. As Puttappa has nicely pointed out, during his days, not much information sharing between the country because of there is not much development in this electronic communication system and all those things. Now our students are very much lucky that they can contact anybody they like. I think Puttappa also share is from basically from pharmacology and having a toxicological background working in California. Our students from different faculty, he can get contact with our graduates or alumni of our university or any other university whose friends are there in California or any part of the country in the US. Hope I will make this best university. I also request Dr. Sridhar to share all the details, contact details of Puttappa and his friends, so that they can make best out of their career. To point out precisely, as you know, the country about, as per our Government of India reports from foreign universities, 51% of our students are achieving, going for higher learning rather than serving the state government because of their looking at the career bright. About 20 to 23% are ultimately
MBA for a veterinary graduate, like agribusiness or something else to pursue MBA.
You're asking about the Masters of Business Administration?
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
I mean, any field, with any field, you can go to Masters of Business Administration, but I don't know which programs offer specifically for agriculture. It's general MBA, financial stream of MBAs, operations management. Those kind of MBA streams are popular. And to give an example, my wife,
Yes,
who
yes, sir,
has BSc and MSc background, did a MBA here in supply chain management program, which is totally different from what she learned in the BSc or MSc program. So yeah, you can explore, but I'm not aware of any specific agricultural related MBA programs. There may be, I don't say there are none, but I'm not aware of those.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Mujib, are you there?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Okay.
Good evening.
And good evening to my teacher, Dr. Prakash Nador, sir, and Shridhar, sir, also.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, please.
Sir, my question is, like for doing any job opportunities in USA, is there any for that job also for any test and entrance test like GRE, TOEFL, like that, sir? In India, it is for university people, they are taking a net exam, sir, like that.
So you mean non-practicing jobs? You're saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, no such thing. So the local hiring department or authority or person, they have a lot of freedom to choose what candidates they want to hire, depending on their expertise, skill, what their need is. So they will decide if a candidate they think will fit their program, depending on how the candidate performs in an interview or impresses them with his experience. So there is no real like India is like large scale examination, and then you kind of make yourself eligible for something next. Yeah, I have not seen anything like that for regular jobs. But if they are professional jobs, in the sense that if you are practicing in the clinic.
Master student from IBRI, sir.
That's very nice. Okay.
Yes. Sir, actually, I would like to ask, like, would there be any opportunities for BVSC students directly in meat industry or poultry industry in US or Canada, sir, without any licensing exam or MSc or PhD?
Since I'm not in that field, I'm not aware of it, obviously. But if you